Hello, this is Michael from Funded Trading Plus. On this video, I'm going to show you how to set up chart templates and profiles for all your charts on MT4 and MT5. A chart template is a simple way for you to save your settings on that chart and open them exactly the same on any other chart. I'm going to open up a chart by dragging from the Market Watch into the space here, and we can see the chart comes initially with a black background, and I really don't like this as a setup for charts myself. Personally, I prefer to trade it with color on white, but the choice is up to you. You get lots of choices in MT4. If you right click and come down to properties on the chart, you will see that you have got different color schemes: green on black, yellow on black, black on white, and color on white. I'm going to go for the color on white option. I'm not going to change any of the settings on the colors. I'm quite happy with those, and I like to be able to show a few different things on the chart, so I'm going to go with this. Okay, so here is my chart in color. Now I'm going to add some indicators to it. I'm just going to come up here to Insert Indicators, and I'm going to come down to the Custom Indicators because I've got a few special 8-cap indicators here that I quite like. The one I like quite a lot is the 8-cap Gravity indicator. I'm just going to change the visualization of it because the colors are a bit too much on here, because I want to bring the color down a little bit, and so I can just set it how I want to see it. Okay, and that should now appear. Okay, so that's the gravity indicator. The indicator I'm going to insert now is an oscillator, and is a Bill Williams oscillator, the Williams percentage range. I quite like this at the moment. I'll put it on the chart and I'm going to squeeze that down. It's not as important as the rest of the data. I'm now going to add to this chart Bill Williams alligator at the standard settings, and that gives me some moving averages. And I'm also going to put on Bollinger Bands. At the standard settings. Now this chart starts to look like a chart that I can do business with. So I quite like this setup. What I can do now is I can right click and come down this list to templates and save this template. Save template. That then puts the template here into the MQL5 folder, Profiles Templates. I'm going to name it MC2. Name it whatever you want. I've called it MC2. What I can now do is put on other charts, whatever chart I want. Right click, templates, come down to MC2, and I've got the same template on there. Now let's put a few more charts on. Let's say I want to trade all these different charts. Right click, MC2, right click, MC2, and right click MC2. I can now sort the charts. There we go, reasonable layout. I'm going to put one more chart on here. Haven't put the DAX up yet, have I? You need to drag to space, because if you drag to the chart, you'll change the chart to the one you're dragging it to. And template. Okay, I quite like this layout. And you might want to put an EA on. So I'm going to drag the mini terminal from 8cap on here. Okay, so I now have a trading chart all ready for me to look for trades, set up how I want it to be set up. Now, if I want to come back to this setup in the future with the same charts in the same position, in the same way, I can expand this, actually take that full screen, click here and save this as a profile. That will enable me, so every time I change the charts or do something else, I can come back to the profile and it will look exactly the same again. Come to File, come down to Profiles, come down to Save As, and give that a profile name. MC1, my first profile on here. Now I can go to Profiles and switch. There are some default profiles. So there's this profile, and as you can see, it's going to bring that profile up. Or I can change to Market Overview, Profile, or straight back to my profile. I hope you found this video informative. Please subscribe for funded trading discounts.